Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and most importantly, hit that bell notification for all your breaking news, coin updates, blockchain technology, and information and laws and regulations as we head into the cashless society, as I'm being repeatedly censored and suppressed by the powers that be that are trying to restrict this information. So it's very important to push us through the YouTube algorithm. Hit that like button, comment down below, hit the bell notification, and share this channel far and wide to stay up to date on all the breaking news.
Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, and the developing story is, and this is your home for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news, coin updates, and our introduction and our implementation of the cashless 2024 system that begins. You can see we believe XRP will be a coin that is needed in the future with its technology. And you can see what we've been talking about here. Hit that follow button, hit that heart button, right? Join the channel, help move us through the algorithm. Pound on that bell notification and hit them likes to get us more views and to get us into more areas. We're coming up right now to that 50-cent overhead target with current price at 48 1/3 cents. You can see it rocketed beautifully, what we've been talking about for several days since you broke that 37-cent level and got another bounce off that 32-cent level right here off of that red volume indicator support zone. And now what we're looking at is how does this interact with the 50-cent level? Does it get, as these moving averages trend up, does this get initially rejected and it comes down like that to hit these moving averages to then try to force its way through and bully its way through into this blue trading area, which is heavy overhead resistance? If we look back here in the chart, you can see all the support and resistance that it had, right? Look at this. Just take a look at this. You can see every time it came up from above, it got supported. Look at all these times. When it first started making its first pump back in February of 21, you can see it got resistance right there, right? Then it got resistance right there, and it fell. Then it straddled and consolidated below that line for a few months, and then it blew right on through. It finally blew on through it after repeated resistances on it, right? But then look at what it did. It flipped it to support. Look how many times you got supported. You got supported back here in May of 2021. You got supported back here in June of 2021. You got a double bottom support back in July of 2021 from the prior June support, right? And then you broke through it and confirmed it on the upside as a confirmed breakout rate here on top of the moving averages. And then you were above it for quite some time. And then you can see as we fast forwarded into the future going right on the chart, you can see it got supported here in January of 2022, right? And then it got brief support here, but finally flushed it and then turned it into major upper resistance. So that's why on its way up, this blue trading area is going to be an area of major upper resistance. And if it is to break through that and continue to the upside, it would take repeated pumps to break away that wall of sellers that have been built up into that area. And that's what I'm looking at right now is either you're going to get rejected. We want our industry exclusive perching tool. We don't want whatever that is. We don't want the line tool. We want the perching tool. And that's why I think you're initially going to get rejected around this 50 cents. Sometimes it sneaks up into a few cents higher than the blue trading area, and then it will consolidate down to the uptrending moving averages. That would be right about here by tomorrow, about 37 to 40 cent, the 41 cent, 42 cent range right here. The moving averages, the 50, the 100, and the 200 in red, the blue, and the green respectively, will be uptrending, and then it would consolidate down. And then if it is to actually try to break this to the upside, you would get a pump up here, a rejection back down to support, maybe a little bit below it, and it would take some trading here to force its way through the wall of sellers. And that's what we're looking at currently with the XRP price. And this is your XRP headquarters for all the latest breaking news, legislation, coin updates, and the rest of it with the Ripple blockchain technology as we progress our way into the future and into a cashless society and into a digital age and a digital revolution that is changing the way we do payments and processing for transactions for the goods and services that the average human being and all human beings need and want and must have to live: food, energy, housing, transportation, medical care, and all that good stuff, right? And this is your home for this breaking news into this revolutionary change that is underway and will be accelerating in the way that it progresses in the future as time goes on. But you can see currently with the Bitcoin price, you can see the Bitcoin price is still sitting down here with our industry exclusive perching tool. I don't know what that's doing. Our industry exclusive perching tool, right? You can see what's going on. Right now, we're getting resisted on this 19,310, which has been a major resistance support zone. We had a big double bottom here in the June flush of 2022 that started the cascading liquidation and lending programs and lending platforms and even some exchanges and billions, hundreds of billions of dollar hedge funds going under because they had bad investments, right? And you can see we got a double bottom low right here, and we're trying to break back above that. And if we do, you can make a run up to here at about the 27,000. You can make a run up here as our gas light turns on, up to 27,010.93, right? And then if you get resisted upon, you would come down to that $16,500 level. And that's currently the levels that we're looking at to see if you get bullish or bearish. If you can break to the upside or you come on down to the downside, is can you break these critical support and resistance levels, right? And that's what I'm going to keep paying attention to for you. Like, subscribe, and share as I head into the dentist appointment. Peace and love. Peace and love.